Okay guys, can you hear me? Someone please confirm if you can hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. My screen is also visible, right, Rudra?
Yes, sir. Visual.
Okay, so which one we were discussing? MRP2 view, right? MRP2 MM03. What is the table to see the material code? What is the table to see the material general data, guys? Someone please tell me.
Mara.
Mara. Okay, so we'll directly jump to the MRP2 view. Okay, just make a headline MRP2, and under that keep this mention this field, uh, in-house production. In-house production. Just a moment. Okay, you can write down in-house production, and then you can write down procurement type as well. Okay, so in-house production is a field. Okay, so make a note of this one. Number of days taken to manufacture. This field says number of days taken to manufacture a goods or manufacture a product. Yeah, no, in-house production. Okay, this field says number of days taken to manufacture the goods.
This field says
Number of days. This field says number of needs to manufacture the goods, or number of days needs to manufacture the goods. Number of days needs to manufacture the goods. Okay, number of days needs to manufacture the goods. Okay, next, procurement type. This one, procurement type. So procurement type, this field controls, write down, this field controls whether the material is manufactured in-house or procured external. This material is manufactured in-house or procured external.
this field says
This field controls whether the material is manufactured in-house, this one. Okay, see, this in-house production is dependent on this procurement type. Okay, so first I was supposed to tell you this procurement type, but I detected this one, in-house production. Okay, but after that you just write down this one, procurement type. So this procurement type controls whether the material is manufactured in-house or it is procured external.
Whether the material manufactured in-house
Or procured external. Procured. Okay, we are buying from, from outsiders. Okay, so this procurement type field controls whether the material is manufactured in-house, means we are producing this material in-house, or we are buying this material from the outsiders or from some other vendors. Okay, this field controls that thing. Then later, in-house production says if it is a in-house production material, okay, produced material, then this in-house production field says how many days we need to manufacture this particular material. Okay. Okay, so what else?
So this field controls whether
Someone please detect whomever has completely written this thing. Where yeah yeah, Pallavi, tell me where you are.
this field controls whether the
This field controls whether the material is manufactured in-house or procured external.
in-house.
In-house or procured external. Okay.
Yes, sir. Don't.
MRP3 view. Okay. Start strategic group. Write down this thing. Strategic group. Strategic group. Okay. Strategy group. So this field controls whether the material is make to order or whether material is a make to stock. Whether the material is a make to order material, whether the material is a make to order, whether the material is a make to order or make to stock. Make to order or make to stock. Okay, so see, make to order, we generally write down this in this way: make to order and make to stock, MTS. Okay, these are two different type of process. So in case of make to order process, okay, what we do, we generally start producing material after receiving the order. Okay, make to order means we start manufacturing the goods after receiving the orders. Okay, we start, write down this thing, make to order, we start manufacturing the goods after receiving the orders from the customers. We start manufacturing the goods, we start manufacturing the goods after receiving the orders from the customer. Okay, MTO process, make to order. Okay, this process we start manufacturing goods or manufacturing products after receiving the orders from customers. Okay, then MTS process, make to stock. Make to stock. Okay, this is make to order. So MTS, write down, irrespective of customers order, irrespective of customers orders, we will manufacturing the goods and keep it in stock. Irrespective of customers order. Okay, this one, MTS. Okay, make to stock, irrespective of customers orders, we will manufacture the goods and keep stocks of it. Keep stocks of it. Okay, we will manufacture the goods and keep stocks of it. So when the order will come, okay, or when the order comes, we will deliver the goods from the stock. Okay, when order comes, okay, when orders comes, we will deliver the goods from stock. Okay, okay, you can make an you can write down some example of this MTO and MTS process. So under MTO process, you can mention example, luxury cars. Okay, luxury cars.
Under MTO.
Huh?
MTO example also.
MTO under MTO make 2-3 examples or write down 2-3 examples. Okay. Heavy machinery, luxury cars, heavy machinery, heavy electrical, etc. Or sometimes defense products as well. Defense products. All these things will come under MTO process. But in under MTS process, okay, what kind of products will come? FMCG products, pharmaceutical products. Okay, FMCG products, pharmaceutical products, etc. Done. Okay. So strategy group done. Okay, now next, what is next? Strategy group. Okay. Okay. So if it is a MTO process, okay, make a note. If it is a MTO process, okay, here it is not as appearing strategic group. Why it is not appearing? It should. Okay, if it is MTO process, then we need to maintain 2. Okay, we need 20. We need to maintain 20. If it is a make to stock MTS process, then we need to mention or maintain 10. Okay, for make to order we need to maintain 20. For make to stock we need to maintain 10. Write down this thing. Okay, everyone is clear what is the MTO process, what is the MTS process? Someone please confirm. Guys, please confirm. Everyone is clear with MTS and MTO process, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the next is where is it? Condition mode. Okay, MP4. Fine, come to here. This one. Okay, Okay, so storage condition, write down under this plant data storage 1, write down storage location. Storage location. So storage location is one of the parameter to determine storage location into delivery. Sorry, storage condition. Storage condition is one of the parameter to determine storage location into the delivery document. This is one of the parameter to determine storage location into the delivery document. This is one of the parameter to determine storage location into the delivery document. Okay. So T code to determine storage location. T code to determine storage location is OVL3. Let's go to that transaction. OVL3. See, shipping point, these are the different parameter. Here you can see shipping condition one column is there, right? So that data is coming from here.
So T code. So T code.
T code is OVL3. See, T code you can see here. Okay. Storage location. So shipping condition is one of the parameter to determine storage locations into the delivery document. So similarly, shipping point is another parameter and plant is another parameter. Okay, with these three combination, shipping storage location will be determined to the delivery document. Okay, so write down this thing: shipping point plus plant plus storage condition equal to storage location. Shipping point plus plant plus, just have a look here, try to understand it first, then you can write by your own. See, shipping point plus plant plus storage condition equal to storage location. Clear? See these columns. My screen is visible, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So so shipping condition is one of the parameter to determine the storage location into the delivery document. Okay, so now what is next? Okay. Okay, nothing is here. Okay, come to this accounting 1 tab. Okay, so here valuation class, write down this valuation class. Rajesh, what is the use of this valuation class? Rajesh, this question is for you. What is the use of this valuation class?
Valuation and the finished product, it is valuation class. It is.
No. What is the use of this one?
No.
See, what is the table for delivery document?
LIKP, LIPS it is.
LIKP, right? So here let me plant goods movement. Okay, how can I find out a delivery whose PGI is done?
Movement.
Hmm? Complete delivery. Okay, this one we can check here, right? Whose delivery is completed or PGI. So yes, X means yes. Let me find out any. Oh my god, not a single delivery created. How it can possible? Billing category. So Rajesh, this question is again for you only. So how can I find out a delivery, or how can I find out a invoice which one is a delivery related billing? There can be a bill, there can be a invoice with reference to order itself, right?
Yes.
But I want to find out a invoice which is relevant, I mean which has done after the post goods, after the PGI.
Yes. After PGA invoice, it will come in this.
How can I find out that kind of delivery? That's my question.
Billing document. Okay, here it is. Drag.
Okay, write down this thing. I'll tell you after this. Okay, it is not appearing here. Why? Okay, fine. So let's see. Let me clear one thing again. So what is the, someone please tell me what is the accounting entry of invoice, sales invoice? What is the accounting entry? What is the accounting entry? Accounting entry. What is the accounting entry of sales invoice?
Customer account debit, revenue account credit. It is.
Okay. So how many places in our transaction or in our processes, okay, how many places, or where exactly we will have the accounting entry? I mean for you this one again, Rajesh.
Yeah, yeah.
How many places we can have the accounting entry in our process or in a sales order flow?
In PGA also it will come.
Yes. So accounting guys, this is for everyone again. Accounting entry, we will have accounting entry at two places, okay, or in two places. That is, one is sales invoice,
And
okay. Another one is PGI. PGI means
post goods.
post goods issue, okay, post goods issue. See, this is invoice, everyone knows it properly, right? And what is post goods issue? This is for those who do not have idea about the inventory or goods the movement, okay. See, this is something, this is a movement, okay. For example, we have a stock, we have stock of 1000, okay. Now we received a order, okay, one order we received with 200 quantity. So we have the stock of 1000, right? So now what we are doing, we are delivering 200 quantity from this 1000, okay. So that time this 200 needs to deduct from 1000, right? So what will become, the stock will become 800. So this is also handled through the accounting entry. This 200 will get reduced from the stock, right? So this needs to handle through the accounting entry again. So there will be another accounting entry here, okay. Okay, so what will be the accounting entry for post PGI, Rajesh?
Hello. Cost of goods sold account debit to inventory account credit.
Yes, cost of goods sold account debit
To inventory account credit.
to inventory account
Credit.
okay. So similarly, what will be the accounting entry for sales invoice? customer account debit to revenue account credit. Okay, so this is the accounting entry. Okay.
One more question here, Suman.
Hmm.
Example, we raise a invoice, and the stock also it will reduce when we get the order from the customer.
Okay.
At that time, all the orders we will see is somewhere else. Just now you showed to the where the delivery document we will see here through LAKV SC16 and will go and we will see there.
Okay.
How many the delivery documents, how many it will be there, and also the accounting document flow also we need to see that is.
No, I didn't get your question.
The question confused me for me in the interview last time. It asked for me how all the delivery documents we will see here. This question also is raised for me that is.
How the delivery document, how all the delivery document we can see.
Yes.
So the delivery document VL03 transaction, all the delivery document.
Yes, all the delivery and also in the accounting flow it will be there, no? The accounting flow.
Oh, okay, okay. In that case, see what happens. I'll tell you. Okay, this is not the right moment, but anyway, see, for example, sales order. Okay, we have a single sales order. Okay, here, guys, you guys also please have a look here. So this SO, this is a sales order number 1. Okay, first sales order number, for example. Okay, so how many quantity we have received? The sales order quantity is 200, for example, here. Okay, so when we are receiving 200 sales order quantity order, okay, confirm order, so that doesn't mean we are going to deliver 200 quantity at a time or in a single delivery, right? So we can have partial delivery as well, right? So what we'll do, we'll do delivery 1 for 50 quantity, maybe delivery 2 for 100 quantity, maybe. Okay, delivery 3 for another 50 or remaining 50 quantity. So how much it is becoming? It is becoming 200 now, right? So what will happen when you will go to the sales order 1 and click on the display document? See, this is the sales order, for example. You need to go inside to this display document, and here we have an option to go to see the document flow, right? So if you will click here, then you can see the entire all the delivery, okay, in the flow. But for example, we have another sales order as well. Okay, another sales order number 2, for example. Okay, so now here again we have 2 different delivery. So in this case, for example, this is 50 quantity. Okay, if I'll go to the first sales order and I will click on the display document flow, then I can see these 3. Okay, if I'll go to the second sales order and if I'll go to the document flow, I can see these 2 only. Okay, so if there is not any another document above to this sales order, then I cannot see all the delivery at a time. Okay, so to combine these 2 sales order, maybe there would have another sales order or some pre document, like quotation. Maybe there would have quotation, or there would have some kind of contract, right? So in that case, if you will go to that contract or quotation, and if you will click on that document flow option, okay, here, then it will show you the complete details. Okay, always you need to go to the top document, then only you can see here, see, this is the good example again, I think. Can you see here, Rajesh?
Suman. Yes, Suman.
Okay, you need to go to the top document always. Okay, first document, then only you can see the entire flow.
Okay.
Okay, so here what can be another document? It can be a contract. Okay, or it can be a quotation also. So that what will have I mean under the contract itself, there would have multiple sales order. Okay, and if you want to see all the deliveries, okay, at a time, then you need to click on the contract and go to the display document, then only you can see entire flow. Okay, practice this thing, you will understand. Practice and observe how things are happening. Okay guys, so this is clear. Now let's go to the okay, so valuation class, write down this thing. So valuation class, okay, valuation class will help to determine GL account for inventory accounting document. Valuation class will help to determine GL account for inventory accounting document. Valuation class will help to determine GL account for inventory accounting document. See here you can mention inventory accounting document. This will help you to understand easily. Okay, fine. So this valuation class, okay, how the Rajesh, can you tell me how the customer GL account is coming, or reconciliation GL account is determining?
Uh,
From where system is determining, or how system is determining revenue GL, customer GL account?
uh,
Rajesh, I already told this thing, means personally I called you and explained this thing.
yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
Guys, just have a look here. Okay,
This is VKOA.
no,
Revenue
see guys, everyone please listen very carefully once again. You also please be concentrate, Rajesh. See
Yeah.
how system will identify these two things. Okay, for customer account, system will determine one GL. See here in the system, always GL will define, or GL will say which kind of account this one. Okay, so for customer account we will have one GL, for revenue account also we will have one GL. Okay, so similarly cost of goods sold account also we will have GL, means general ledger, that account. Okay, numeric number, what is this, yes, GL. Okay, here also we will have a GL, and here also we will have a GL, right? Right. So customer account GL will be determined from this place, from the BP master. Go to this company code view. From here, this reconciliation account will be determined for this view, this customer account. Okay, so the this GL will be determined from the customer master. Okay, customer master company code view. Okay, now from where system will determine this GL, this revenue GL will be determined BK from VKUA setup. Okay, VKUA setup. So VKUA is nothing but a T code. Okay, just have a look here. VKOA. Okay, okay, so this is the VKUA setup. This is a separate topic we will discuss later. Okay, but you can write down this thing at this moment. Okay, VKOA setup, we can determine the GL for revenue account determination. Okay, so similarly here also system will determine GL, but you are really not no need to worried about the GL determination process for PGI, post goods issue or inventory accounting document, because this belongs to the MM responsibility or MM modules things. Okay, so MM person will take care of this thing, but as a consultant you should know, okay, what is the use of this valuation class as well. Okay, this valuation class will help to determine the inventory accounting document. Okay, this inventory accounting document will be determined based on this setup. Okay, so 7920, write down 7920. 7920 valuation class is for finished good, and is it 7920 is 7920 is for finished goods, and 3100 is for trading goods. This is the standard. Okay, standard valuation class. 7920 for finished good, 3100 for trading goods. Okay, clear? Okay, done. Come to costing 2. Oh, why it is available in costing 2? It was supposed to be here in accounting. It is not available here. One itself is it? Oh, sorry, here only. Sorry, I missed here. Yeah, under that accounting 1 only, mention this price control. Okay, write down this thing. This field controls whether the cost of a product is a standard cost or moving cost. Price control. This field controls whether the cost of product is a standard cost or moving cost. Whether the product is a standard cost. This field controls whether the cost of the product is a standard cost or moving cost. This field controls whether the cost of the product is a standard cost or moving cost. Okay. Okay, so if for standard cost we need to maintain S. Standard cost we need to maintain S. Moving cost we need to maintain V. Okay, standard cost equal to S and moving cost equal to V. Okay, and okay, if it is maintain S, okay, write down, if price control is S, standard price, then we need to mention the standard price or maintain the standard price here, this in this field. See, if the price control is maintained as S, then we need to maintain the standard price. Okay, standard price is nothing but the manufacturing cost of this product. Standard price is nothing but the manufacturing cost of this product. Okay, standard price is nothing but the manufacturing cost of this product. And what is moving cost? So moving cost is a average price. Okay, for example, okay, what is moving cost? Just explaining. Okay, for example, there is a product X. Okay, we purchased it something. We are doing some kind of trading. For example, here we are buying material from outsiders and selling through our company. So that is called trading goods. Okay, so in that case, what will happen? For example, this X material we are we have purchased yesterday 100 rupees. Okay, today we are purchasing that same material with 100 rupees only again. Okay, so there is a hike of 10 rupees here. Okay, since yesterday. Okay, today. Okay, for example, again tomorrow we are they have already shared the quotation. Tomorrow we are going to purchase this material with 120 rupees. Okay, so what will happen, we have to calculate the average price of this, right? So how we can calculate this? We'll sum up this and divide by 3, right? Okay, so the average price of this material will become 110, right? So this is called average moving price. Okay, moving price is means where the price is not constant. Okay, everyone is clear, guys? In case of standard price, for example, this X material we have manufactured with 200 rupees, that means this will be constant always. Okay, this 200 rupees is the constant one, there will be no changes. Okay, fine. Okay, the cost, for example, whatever the cost we are maintaining, for example, we are maintaining here for 100 rupees. Okay, so this thing, this price will be, okay, okay, here you can write down a question. If you do not maintain cost of if you do not maintain cost in material master, write down, if you do not maintain cost in material master, if you do not maintain cost in material master, then system will not generate inventory accounting document. System will not generate which document? This inventory accounting document. System will not generate this. If you do not maintain cost in material master, if you do not maintain cost in material master, then inventory accounting document will not generate. Then system will not generate inventory accounting document. Okay. Okay, the cost which we maintain here, the cost which we maintain here, the cost which we will maintain here in material master standard price field. Okay, the cost which we will maintain here in under standard price field in material master accounting tab, the cost or the value or the amount which we maintain under standard price field in material master accounting tab 1 or accounting 1, okay, will be determined into the sales document. Will be whatever the amount we will maintain here in the standard price, that will be determined into the sales document. This will be determined to the sales document with the help of VPRS condition. VPRS condition type will be determined based on the VPRS condition type. Okay, okay, for example, guys, please understand here. For example, you created a material. Let me go to the change mode. See, you can see here these fields are in editable mode, right? But this standard price is in non-editable mode. Okay, you cannot edit anything here. Okay, why? Because this standard price you need to maintain or you need to mention here at the time of creation of material master. Okay, if you miss to maintain that thing here, then you cannot edit that here manually. So to edit or to update the standard price in already created material master, you need to go to the transaction code MR21. MR21. Okay, where is that MR21? See, this is price change screen. Okay, MR21. So but this is again not your responsibility, but you can make a note of this one. This responsibility goes to the costing consultant. Okay, CO consultant or CO people. Okay, fine. So write down the notes again. Mara table is the Mara table is for general data view /n SE16N. Go to Mara table. Mara. See here you can see general material data. General material data. Okay, general material data. Then MVKE. MVKE. This is for sales sales data for the material master. MVKE. MVKE. Then MARC. MARC is for plant data, for plant data view. Material have other different views, right? So that view wise or module wise or the responsibility wise, department's responsibility wise, there are different tables available. Okay, so plant data for material MARC. Okay, then MBEW another table is there. This is the material valuation related. Okay, material valuation related, which we are discussing just accounting 1 view, accounting 2 and costing. Okay, okay.
MARD also is the storage location.
Yeah, MARD also there. Okay, so there are many other tables are also there, you can search out. Okay, these are major tables. Okay, storage location data for material MARD. Write down this thing. Okay, now just a quick looks into this CMIR/N. See, I told you about the CMIR, right? What is the full form of CMIR? What is the full form of CMIR? Customer Material Info Record, right? So T code for customer customer material info record, the T code is VD51. Write down this VD51. VD51. See VD51. Okay, see VD51. This is the T code for CMIR. Okay, so why we use CMIR? Why we use CMIR? By using CMIR, we can assign customer material code with our material code. See, this is our material code. For example, there is a material we have. The code is this code only. You can take. Where is that? See, this is the material code. Okay, 2492 for example. Okay, but the sorry 24. Okay, 2492. the same material, customer would have some different name. Okay, for example XY1 like this. Okay, so if we are doing this mapping here in our system, so as soon as if user is creating a sales order with customer material number, then system will understand, okay, this is nothing but the material we have, this 2492 whatever the material is there, that is the same material only. Okay, so here we have other fields as well. Okay, like customer material, then plant also we need to mention here. Where is that? For example, let me save this one. Okay, so you can see this here. Okay, so VD52 is for the change view, VD53 is for the display view. Okay, see inside this we have different fields again, but here, yes, telling you, make a note here, any field in the customer master will be always given first preferences. Any field in CMIR, any field in CMIR will be given first priority or preferences. Okay, will be given first priority or preferences while determining the data into the sales document. While determining the data into the sales document, any field in CMIR will be given first preferences while determining the data into sales document. Okay, see, just to clarify this thing again, for example, Rajesh, have a look here, everyone please. Plant, suppose plant I am maintaining something here. Here I have maintained CP03. Okay, for example, the plant I have maintained here CP03. So which are other two place from where a system can determine the plant? Can anyone tell me? From which other place a system can determine plant? Material master also. Okay, material master also system can determine. Okay, okay, so material master, where is the plant data? Yeah, here. No, not here. Okay, sorry, cells we are doing na. Okay, so here. Okay, cells. Okay, under cells delivering plant is also here. So for example, we have maintained plant here CP02. In CMIR we have maintained plant here, under CMIR maintained plant CP03. And which one is another place we are missing? Which one? Another place is also there, right? From where we BP is also there. Okay, slash n BP. Okay, so from here customer. Okay, so BP, come to BP, select the rule. Okay, customer, go to sales and distribution. Okay, here go to shipping. So from here also system determine the plant, right? So for example, here I have maintained CP01. Material master I have maintained CP02. Okay, and in CMIR I have maintained CP03. So then what will happen? System will give the priority to the CMIR first. In a sequence it will come to this place first. Okay, and system will take a CP03 as a valid plant from CMIR master while creating sales document. So any field is available under this CMIR will be given the first priority whenever the transaction will happen. Okay, that is the main thing which I wanted to highlight. Okay, clear? Now guys, let's jump to another topic, that is called sales document. Make a note of sales document. Make a note of sales document. Okay, let me explain in a way this one. Just a moment. Hello. Yeah, make a note of sales document, heading sales document. Okay, so guys, just have a look here. A T code to sales document means see slash NVA01. Okay, so you can write down a T code VA01. VA01 is the T code, okay, to create the sales document or create the sales order. VA01 is the T code to create the sales order. Okay, see, this is the create sales document VA01. Okay, VA01. Okay, VA02 slash NVA02 is the T code to see the already created document in editable mode or change mode. VA02 is for change view or change mode of sales document. Clear? And slash NVA03. 03 is for the display of document. See here the heading display sales document VA03. Okay, so guys, to okay, there is a T code called slash not slash O, T code is VA05. Okay, so VA05 is the T code to see the list of sales order. VA05 is the T code to see the list of sales order. VA05 is the T code to see the list of sales order. So guys, let me find out a specific sales order here if I can find. For that I do not know, for example, sales organization. I do not know the sales distribution channel as well, for example. Okay, let's put star and star. Let me execute this. Okay, so these are the different sales orders we do have here. Okay, let me see this sales order. Double click on this. So this is a kind of report. Okay, report T code VA05. This is a standard one SAP has given. Guys, see, this is the sales order screen in SAP looks like. Okay, my screen is visible, right? Okay, guys, able to see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, this is the sales order screen, but here the material is a different. This is a service material. Okay, so here you can see generally what happens.